Okay, so I did a bunch of these and the motherboards are bending a little bit more, or can bend a little bit more than I'm comfortable with, so I just wanted to give you a little more technique for putting these things in. So, what I've been doing that really seems to be helping is you put the RAM in, so undo these, right? Stick them to the side. Put the RAM in where it's supposed to go. Put it in like that. And then this finger should be pulling up on this guy while you're pushing down with your thumb. You can also take your other hand and very shallowly on the side of the motherboard hold this up as you're doing that. Okay? It just clicked in. So this finger, I just want to show you how shallowly I mean. So it's barely touching, it's right on the edge, just pulling it up. And then same thing on the other side. So finger here, and then this one I push down with this and pull up with my thumb because of where I'm kneeling down right now. And then the motherboard bends a whole lot less. Okay, click in. All right, just wanted to show you that.